COVID is not gone. We are moving to endemic COVID that still calls on us to have personal responsibility to limit disease spread. Things we need to do is to keep washing our hands. That has served us well. We stay home if we're sick. If we haven't received all 3 doses of vaccination, we get all 3 doses done as soon as we are eligible to receive them. And we always have a mask on our person as we transition into this new phase of COVID. We will put them on in certain circumstances, especially indoors. Mask mandates are lifted, but there are still many situations in which it will be appropriate for us to wear a mask, and we should do so. If you go into a small space where everyone there, employees, clients, are wearing masks, put on a mask. If you are in an indoor space where it just feels a little bit too crowded for too long a period of time, please put on a mask. If you are in a situation in a home where an individual is immunocompromised and at significant risk of getting severe COVID and potentially dying from COVID infection, and they ask you to put on a mask, please put on a mask. So I think it is not as clear cut. It is not a rule, but I think we understand how COVID is spread. It is spread indoors when too many people are too close together for too long. If a situation looks like that, you should put on a mask. Vaccines remain our first line of defense. Individuals who have not been fully vaccinated, and right now in the era of Omicron, this is 3 shots, please, it is still important as ever, that you get your vaccination. Please stay home if you're sick. In the United Kingdom, part of the explosion in the number of cases is directly linked to the fact that individuals who test positive for COVID are no longer required to stay home for 5 days. You remove that requirement, you increase the risk of spread. So if you're sick, stay home. If your work colleague comes to work sick, send them home. And I think these things, along with washing our hands, which we've done more times in the past 2 years than many people did in their entire lifetimes. So please keep washing your hands.